In the United States, wildfires fueled by high temperatures and ongoing lightning strikes continue to ravage California. California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection has warned people as the blaze threatens capital Sacramento and San Francisco. Now, the wildfires have so far killed 6 people and incinerated nearly 700 buildings. Cal Fire said new fires are feared to ignite over the weekend as more lightning storms are expected. The fires that started a week ago have destroyed over 1 million acres of land. Over 14,000 firefighters have been deployed to extinguish the fires in the affected areas. Governor Newsom has urged the residents to evacuate the vulnerable places as soon as possible.